Hello guys, Jasmine Burns here. I am your KSU I Teach coach, and I wanted to give you guys a quick tool that you guys can use right away. Okay, so are you a teacher who has a million tabs open like the ones you see above here? Yeah? Are you one who finds different resources, strategies, and websites that you love and you hate to close out those tabs in fear that you may lose that particular resource or you may not know how to get back to it, so it ends up looking like this across your computer screen? All right. If you are, then here is a great tool for you. It's called OneTab. Okay. Now, OneTab is a consolidation, a Google extension where you can take all of the tabs that you have open and it will save them for you in OneTab. I've been using this for a little over a year. Here is one that I already have created. I have 9 tabs here. I have 8 tabs here for a total of 17 tabs. And if I wanted to consolidate the rest of these tabs, I could very well do so with just a click of this little button here. So before we do that, if you go to this website here, www.one-tab.com, or you just Google OneTab, it'll come up in your Google search. You click on it, brings you to this site right here. As you can see, you go to add OneTab now. No sign up or registration needed. I don't need to do that right now because I've already been using it and it appears in your toolbar at the top. So once you have it in your toolbar, if you click OneTab, it consolidates it all into one. Isn't that cool? Right. So what you then have is a nice little consolidated, neat place where all your tabs are housed. And once you want to go and open that back up, let's see. Let's open this back up. It brings it to another extension. Okay. So if you are not familiar with how to do this, or you would like for me to come and do it for you, just please email me at burns@fultonschools.org, or you can email me at jasmine@ksuiteach.org, and I'll be happy to help you. Okay? So until then, you guys have a great day.